Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the date value formula. What does it do? Let's see. Date value converts a date in the form of text to a number that represents the date. Simply, it converts the date into a serial number. Alright, so date text, let me type in today's date, say 10 2016. Close the bracket, and this number is 42653. Now, why is it 42653? Because it is 42,653 days from January 1st of January 1900. Excel calculates all the dates starting from this date. See, so like this was, let me make it for. So earlier it was 42653, now it is 42652 because it's 9th October. I typed in 1 day less. See, so this is how the date value formula works. It converts the dates for you into serial numbers, and the serial numbers start from the serial number 1 would be 1st of January 1900. See you in the next video.